Hey guys, how are you today? So, if you haven't been here before, my name's Jade and this is my channel. So, today what we're going to do is we're actually going to review Birchbox and Ipsy. If you don't know what these are, they are both subscription boxes. They are $10 a month and you get little samples inside of each of them. You get about 5 each time. So, just wanted to kind of go through both of them and see which one I liked better this month. If you have not been here before, I am a licensed cosmetologist, but I am not a professional makeup artist. I just like makeup. I am much better at hair. So if this is not gonna be your cup of tea, go ahead and watch another video. But if this is, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and let me know in the comments below what else you wanna see. So we're gonna jump right into it, okay? All right, so this month for Birchbox, for the month of April, this is a little late going up, they sent me this super cute little makeup bag with like the lemons on it. Very cute for April. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this first. And like I said, we're gonna go through both of them. I'm just gonna go through it and show you what I got and then kind of compare and see which one was better for me this month. So jumping right into it. Says now in season, fresh spring beauty. They give you a full list of everything that they sent for you. I'm not really gonna go through it right now, but I will leave any links and descriptions and tell you, the actual name of everything that I got in here down below in the description box. So first thing I see is I got this little makeup brush, super cute. It says it's from Vasanti. It's very small. Nice little fluffy, it's very soft. Super excited about that, to play with it. And the next thing I got is from Tarte. It is their base tape. So it's a hydrating primer. Like I said, everything they send you is a small sample size, so it's really nice just because you get to try everything out. Next, I got a little lip balm from Moroccan Magic. And it's an argan and essential oil lip balm in peppermint eucalyptus. Oh, that's strong. But I honestly think it might give you really good amount of hydration, which will be kind of fun. Maybe it'll be a little minty. And then from Thebalm, I got the balmjour, which is a creamy lip stain. Doesn't say what color it's in, unless it's namaste, which could be the color name. Super pretty. Here we go. I will give a little swatcheroo on my hand. And like I said, it is a stain, so it is going to be kind of sheer. And we'll check on it a little bit later. I do like the color a lot. It's very pretty. It's definitely something I would totally wear. So excited to try that out. And then the last thing I got in here, proof that it's the last one, my bag is empty, is from Sanchez in Moods. It's a little box. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my god. I want to play with that. And this is an eyeshadow single. It doesn't say the name on here of what color it is, but I'm loving it. So that's super excited. Oh, okay, so again, nice thing about all of this is that it tells you exactly what it is and it'll tell you how much the full size will cost, usually. This time it didn't. But, so I found the name for the color for the Laura Sanchez Moods, which this is one of the singles out of a palette. And it is an alien turquoise. So that's super cool. So I'm kind of excited to play with this color. I really want to play with more color. Normally I am very neutral, and so we'll see. So that was my Ipsy. And like I said, Ipsy sends you something once a month. It's $10, although now they are doing a bigger box and it is $20, I believe. But again, I will put the description in that below. All right, so next thing we're gonna go through is we're actually gonna go through my Birchbox. So again, Birchbox is just like Ipsy. They send you something once a month, and they still give you a little information card of everything that's in the box. I'll show you my box. This right here tells you everything that's included. they put a little number down, or little information about the Birchbox. I keep wanting to say Ipsy box, and that's wrong. All right, so I think it's cute. They put, this is the first time I think I've gotten like them to put paper in it, which is kind of fun. It definitely makes it feel more like a surprise. But I like their boxes. Every month they're always something different. This one's a little holographic, which is really fun. And then here is my box. So they sent me a coupon for $15 off your next order. As a small thanks for being a subscriber, treat yourself to $15 off your next $60 plus order. Use code SAVE15 at checkout. That's kind of cool. So that's the nice thing. Okay, so with both Ipsy and Birchbox, if you like the products that you get in your box, and like I said, everything is a tester, you can go back on their website, or I believe even through their app, which you can download onto your phone, and then you can buy the full-size products of everything. And usually you get a little bit of a discount, not always. So that sometimes is really fun. I have yet to actually do it just because I like just getting the travel sizes. I have like a good box of everything that I use and I use all the time. So it's definitely nice to try something different. And then there have been a couple times when I'm sitting here going, oh my God, like absolutely love this product, and it's just, I forget about it. But I forget about a lot of things. Just saying. So, all right, the first thing I grabbed out of my box, and I just picked up the first thing that I grabbed, the first thing my hand touched, is from Living Proof, and it is a Prime Style Extender. Ooh. Extends styles up to 2 times longer, plus it keeps hair cleaner by repelling dirt and oil. Okay, that's exciting. It says, apply to damp hair from root to ends, comb through, style as usual, use alone or with other styles. I think for sure I'm gonna try this, because that's really cool. I do have really fine hair, so I do find that my hair gets more oily really quickly, and so I think this will be really nice to try and see if I can go longer than a day before I'm sitting here going, okay, my hair just feels really grimy. So I'm gonna try this tonight because I am a shower at night girl, and then I fix my hair up in the morning. But I think I will try that, and then I will blow dry my hair tonight, and I will post something on Snapchat and Instagram for all to see. And I will also put my Instagram and my Snapchat below, and that way if you want to add me, see what I'm up to, that's cool. I would love it, would love to hear from y'all. Okay, the next thing I picked up is Marcelle City. It is a 24-hour anti-pollution day and night moisturizing emulsion. Oh, that's cool. 24-hour apply morning and night into well-cleansed face. So that'll be fun to play with. Like I said, again, I am very stuck on what I use. I can't really smell it, and I just got it on my nose, but I can't really smell it. But I'm gonna try this sometime and we'll see how it works. The only thing I don't like is the fact that the testers are, you don't really get a full, like I need a week before I can sit here and go, all right, I love that and that's what I need. But I don't really get that with these small tubes. So, but it'll be fun to try and test. All right. Ooh, okay. So I'm gonna grab a sip of my tea. It's just sweet tea, just so y'all know. All right. So this is from Wander Beauty, which I have heard a little bit about. I haven't heard too much about. So I am excited to try this, but it is a Lip Retreat, and it is an oil. Ew, super excited. And I think Wander Beauty is like a K brand, so a Korean brand. Oh, this one's tinted. I think, yeah, it's tinted. Oh, it feels really sticky. So this is the Wander Beauty, and it, like I said, it is tinted, which is interesting. I still don't really get a smell from it. All I'm smelling is my perfume, so maybe I put on too much perfume. Oh, and then also from the balm stain. So I just wiped it off with like just a tissue, and this is kind of the color it left behind. It's very nice and pinky. I like that. All right, so next thing in my Birchbox is I got a reconstructing hair mask from Lumiere du Hiver is French. Lumiere de Hiver, something like that. So it's a little packet. So it's just like a hair mask. Obviously, you just use it once and then go from there. So I don't know about that one. This I might actually give away and let my mom use it. And that's what I do with like a lot of the stuff that I kind of review. Either if I really don't like it, I'll give it away to either my mom, my sister, or my best friend. So because I realize that I'm hoarding stuff and I really can't keep doing that. All right, so next one is a retinol sleeping night oil. Ooh, okay. I needed to add retinol to my nighttime routine just because the stuff that I'm using right now, like I have really bad skin and I have been breaking out like crazy right through here. Not to point out my little face demons and all, but so this is a retinol sleeping night oil and is a next generation retinoid oil reduces the appearance of pores and wrinkles. Ooh. And it says from Luna. Oh, I love the little, like this is cute. This is super cute. I'm excited to use this. I am gonna start using it tonight. It's blue, which kind of throws me off a little bit, like it's blue. I don't know how well you can see that, but it's blue. It smells really good, like it smells like blueberry a little bit. But this is from Luna and Sunday Riley. That's what it says. All right, so I have 2 more things in the box. So actually Birchbox gave me more than 5 this month, which is super cool. All right, ooh. Okay, so you remember how we got the little hair mask? Well, now we also have a clarifying shampoo from the same brand. Number 4 Lumiere de Hiver clarifying shampoo. So that's kind of cool. I like the fact that they do a shampoo and a conditioner. It's not like you just have one or the other. But like I said, this is still just a hair mask. This isn't just a plain conditioner. So that's a little weird. I don't use clarifying shampoos because I do color my hair and I don't want to strip it. I also have a specific shampoo that I am using to try and repair and re-thicken up everything. All right, and then the last thing I got in my box is from Oribe, and it is a dry texturizing spray. So I like texturizing sprays, and I do keep all of like the little minis like this, because I think this is the second one I got. One was actually a volumizer. Is because when I do updos or I do any kind of a style on anybody, I use this, especially if they have like fresh clean hair, and I'll even use it on myself. Like if I have fresh clean hair and I want to do something to it, this is what I'm going to use because it's going to help give me the grip, so that way when I stick my bobby pins in there I have no issues. So this will definitely be fun to play with, and I'm super excited to play with this, keep this, throw this in my travel bag, so that way when I travel to events or I need to do something and I'm traveling to go do a photo shoot or whatever else, I can use this. And when I say when I go to a photo shoot, I mean like I'm going to a photo shoot to do my friend's hair. So yeah, that's what I got this month from both Birchbox and Ipsy. So Birchbox, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 different samples this month, which like I said, normally you get about 5. Sometimes you do get 6. So that's really cool. And then with Ipsy, I got the moods. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So I did get my standard 5 out of the Ipsy box. As far as what I'm seeing in which box, I definitely would be like, I don't know. It's kind of tough. And okay, so now that I have shown you what's in both of my subscriptions, now is really the time to decide on if I liked one more than the other, because there are months where I'm like kind of sitting here going, okay, Birchbox, get it together. And then I've got months where I'm sitting here going, okay, that was it. It was kind of underwhelming, especially from like Ipsy. A lot of their bags are like super cute. But I mean, like this one, lemons really aren't my thing. I like the teal kind of color inside, but I think I am gonna give this to my best friend. But looking at everything, I like the fact that Birchbox gave me a lot more, but I feel like it's more face and hair only, whereas Ipsy really gave me a little bit of everything. I mean, but it is all for face, and I got lips. So they kind of both went in it, like if it would have been all together, it would have been fine. But I think most of the stuff that I'm like super excited to try all came from Birchbox. So I really think that this month Birchbox totally killed it, and I'm super excited to try everything. Because, you know, I'm going to try the Wander Lip Oil, I'm going to try the Luna, I'm going to try the Living Proof, I am going to keep this guy, and then the 24-hour moisturizer. Definitely going to keep all those. So that's 5 products out of the 7 that I was sent this month. But then like for the Ipsy, like this is, I mean, like this is a great color. It's gorgeous. It's not practical for my everyday, but I am excited to play with it. And same thing with the Double Duty Beauty from Tarte. Like I always need more primers, and having good primers is a big deal. So that I'm excited about. But like this, I'm probably gonna, like the lip balm I'm gonna give away. The brush I will keep. I don't know how I feel about the creamy lip stain. It may be something that I give to like my mom. Just because I did swatch it on my hand. But, so yeah, that's how I'm feeling, and that's kind of where I'm at. I think Birchbox killed it, and I'm super excited. So yeah. So that is my Birchbox versus Ipsy this month, and definitely Birchbox won this time. But if you want to see more videos like this, please hit the subscribe button down below, hit the like button, let me know, leave a comment down below on what else you want to see. I do also subscribe to FabFitFun, and all of my subscriptions, I pay with my own money, none of it's sponsored. I pay the $10 a month for each box, or the $50 a month, or every 3 months for the FabFitFun. So that is all through me. I do it myself, and I do it because I like it and it's fun. So there will be a FabFitFun coming up here in a couple of months. But next month, I guess I will do another Birchbox versus Ipsy, and we'll see how that goes. So again, guys, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, ring the little bell so you know when I upload. I'm trying to get them every week. But other than that, thanks guys for stopping in, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!